Dan, this is the unit racking. What I'm doing is just turning it down and racking it toward the block. It should work just fine. What we have to do on this unit is just here is a dowel. It's 3 inches long. We cut this down. The customer will have to cut it down to 2 inches. And this one, same thing. It's 3 inches long, cut down to 2 inches. This cono is flexible and it can move in any position and be put any angle. We run 2 of these on this dowel. Now the dowel you're looking at right now is only 24 inches. The one we're talking about is 44 inches. This is the block, and what happens with the block is that'll rack in and out too by turning it, so you'll be able to shorten it. Basically it'll give them a lot of flexibility. We'll run 2 of these contraptions right here on the pipe, and then they can do dual beveling with that for the pipe.